cat this one. Is execute the calculator, guys. How come?
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed.
Hello, welcome to Rifki the Cyber. At this video, allow me also to divert the topic from usually I'm using the radio frequency or usually I'm using the RTL-SDR, HackRf, USRP. Currently, I would like to divert you to some quite important topic related with some particular CVE. But I'm just going to give you the background. I'm already using macOS nearly 15 years. It is a good operating system. It's based on the Darwin OS because it's supporting my job at that time. Because it's already pre-installed with the GCC. And it's already pre-installed with the Perl and the Python itself. For example, if I want to get the Python and just say like Python is already there. If for example I want to using Perl is also there already. So this is already installed with the some essential utility. It's supporting my job and my career at that time, mainly for the engineering like me, telecommunications engineer. And there are so many familiar, like for example, if I want to build some command using makefile, etc., it's already there. It's really like a descendant of the Linux itself, in my opinion. Okay, I hear someone from you now start asking in yourself, why I'm not using Ubuntu? I can get the same pre-install essential tool like that. I'm working with the Ubuntu, but I'm not using it as my main host of operating system. I'm using the Ubuntu, etc., using in my VirtualBox or in my VMware. I'm not using it as my main host. Why? Because I'm using MacBook for the Apple, use it as a main host. It's simple because there is a after-sales service that really obvious from the Apple. There is an Apple authorized service provider that which is really near from my work office in this case at that time. So until now, because the Apple authorized service provider will help you for the not only the software and the hardware itself. So if there is some crash or whatever it is, and if I have my own backup is already backup, they will help me to restore my backup as long as I'm still in the coverage. And usually I also buy the Apple Care extensions after 2 years in this case. So I got a software with the pre-install of the Linux system with a peace of mind because there's some obvious after self-service in this case like a Apple authorized service provider. That's why I'm using Apple as my main host in this case. At that time, when the first time I'm using the macOS, I never using the terminal itself because in the terminal they have limitations. For example, if I want to open another sessions, I need to open another Windows. Unlike right now. So the terminal right now can do like this. For example, I want to create another tab. At that time, this terminal doesn't have that capability. That's why I'm installing the iTerm at that time. And it's already a habit for me every time I have a new MacBook or laptop of a MacBook. I also install the iTerm in this case. Okay, since using the iTerm is my habit, actually recently I got some surprise from the iTerm itself. When I opened the iTerms, I got this common vulnerabilities and exposure of some bugs that I need to update in that case. The CFE itself is like this. If I open this, and then I'm going to running the CFE, this one, and then this is the CVE 2024 38396 in this case. I just opened the details from the NIST, which is very good. It's already in the NIST itself in this case. And I'm going down here. I'm looking at some hyperlink, blah 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 blah. Okay, I prefer go to the GitHub. Maybe I can find something with this GitHub. Okay, I will just click this. Okay, this one, blah blah blah. Okay, it say that there are some Windows title that can be retrieved and execute something even if we running a cat command in this case, which is surprised me, guys. What I'm gonna do, I'm going to download this. Somehow it's difficult. I just open from this GitHub. There's a GitHub here, and then I will just open this, and then I just simply download the zip itself, guys. Okay, great. I will just extract the zip itself. Okay, this is the zip, and then I will just open the zip itself. Okay, I will just open this. I will just put it in the desktop, guys. Desktop in this case. What I'm gonna do, I'm just going to execute this one. Supposedly just only read the file, right, guys? But what happened is, let's see. CD desktop, and then I just cat this one. Is execute the calculator, guys. How come? I just running the cat, but it's somehow running some execution in this case. This is quite surprising me in this case, guys. So we need to fix this one, right? So what I'm gonna do, I just close this, and I'm going to read again. In this case, okay, fix 2 days, blah blah blah, upgrade to items 3562 in this case. What is my items in this case? About the items, okay, 350. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just going to update this. Okay, I'm just going to install update. Install and relaunch in this case. Start installing the update, guys. Let's redo again. Okay, great guys. It doesn't execute anything, which is great. So, what do you think, guys? You want to put something in these common vulnerabilities and exposures? Write your comment and don't forget to subscribe, put the bell on, and share it to others, and push the button like also. And as I always say in my other previous video, keep learning and stay humble.